want to break free from my life out here and move to Canada forever.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joey Stephen from IRC News, and today we are going to come out with a data analysis software news on Canada immigration. Today is the 30th of May 2022. We are coming to you from the Kiek Kok Museum in Tallin, Estonia. Estonia is a beautiful country and is bordered by Russia in the east, Latvia in the south, and the Baltic Sea in the west and the north. This video may be of interest to foreign nationals and Canadian temporary residents working as cable television service with NOC code 7247 jobs. We are talking about AIPP program selection in 2019 and 2020, which will give you some understanding on the number of people being selected in this category for the AIPP program each year. In 2019, a total of 8 applicants in NOC code 7247 was processed for Canadian permanent residents under the AIPP program. And in 2020, a total of 7 applicants in the same NOC code was processed for Canadian permanent residents under the AIPP program. We have seen an appreciative reduction in the intakes in 2020 when comparing it with 2019 figures because the pandemic was raging in 2020 and vaccinating the population was the priority of the government. We expect the numbers to increase in the coming years. The total number of people selected under the AIPP program in 2019 in all NOC codes was 5,380. And in the year 2020, the first year where we can see the impact of the global pandemic, the total numbers reduced a little bit, but was still high at 3,234. Some NOC codes like nurses had higher intake, but most others had little or none. The 2021 figures should be coming out soon. Please subscribe to this channel for more Canadian immigration data analysis and immigration related information. And if you want to become a Canadian permanent resident, you can learn more by attending the free online YouTube videos, the links of which is posted on our website, polinsys.com/p. From all of us at IRC News and the Polinsys team, we thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.
But life still goes on. I want some help, Polinsys, Polinsys, Polinsys by my side. I don't want to